Check this out. Here is, I'll give you a practical example of what you will see coming out, and hopefully that will kind of connect the dots for you, okay? We're going to be launching out a funnel, I told you, okay? It will be a public funnel for one of the courses that we have from our marketplace, a product, Inside Traffic Mastery. A lot of you guys have it, right? Later on, we're developing, actually, so we got a Facebook group here, okay? We're also building out a network, private network, okay, private network for members. Now, preceding that, obviously, we have pre-launch sequence, okay, which is a training video. Videos. There's 3 videos leading to the sales video of the, where people can purchase this. Preceding that, and again, you know the drill here. Preceding that, there's a landing page that you send traffic to. Okay, landing. Okay, this is where you build your list. Okay, we will allow you, like I preaching all the time, allow you to build your list so that you keep your prospects list with this. Okay, as great as this is, one way to do it is to just hammer it with traffic. Another way to do it is to hammer. Okay, is to hammer your ads. Big thing is obviously you can go to Facebook, and you can do specific targeting, which we'll teach you how to do with that. Okay, but you pre-frame. These pieces can become pre-frame. Okay, leading to the landing page, leading to that. Okay, so you run ads. These can be ads. Okay, think of them as ads, or you can run even outside traffic source to ads. You can target them. You can even run email if you want to, consider that to be traffic. These can be your Facebook ads here, okay, or Instagram ads or blogs, okay, pre-frame. This can make all the difference in your conversion here, okay, big thing. If this is done correctly, okay, and again, this is how you can make yourself be different, because how you pre-frame people, okay. Your conversion here, even though it's the identical funnel, you can have like 2 people running the same thing. One person can be, maybe the conversion rate is going to be 5%, and somebody else can be getting a 20% conversion rate on a sale of the same product, going through the same funnel, everything. What's the difference? Pre-framing is the difference, okay? Very, very important. So I'm going to play, let me play a couple videos for you. Example of what I'm talking about, pre-framing videos. You guys want to see some examples? So they're anywhere from, there can be anywhere from 3 minutes up to, even up to 10-minute videos where you deliver value. The thing about pre-framing is this, okay? You don't come across selling stuff. You don't come across start talking about the product. This is really, really relevant. Like if I wanted to promote this product right here, walking you through the strategy that you will see in action here in a few days. This right here, okay, if I'm selling a product, I do not talk about the product in my pre-framing ever, okay? What I am selling, can anybody guess? What am I selling? In my pre-framing, what am I selling? Okay, this is a steak, right? This is a steak. I am selling the sizzle, which is this. This is a sizzle right here, okay? This is a free training series, which is done. It's really, really good, by the way, okay? This is what I'm selling, and this is free, okay? Easy to pre-frame. It's easy to sell, okay? Understanding how to pre-frame and communicate is the big thing here, okay? So the 3 things you need in pre-framing, you might want to write this down, okay, is grab attention, okay, grab attention, and this can be like, if everybody, like people expecting videos to be like super professional, or like there's like a way, you got to be like a video camera guy, right? You got to be like you turn into this like news anchor guy or gal or whatever, right? You got to, hey everybody, this is Vic, blah 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 blah. That stuff doesn't work, okay? You got to grab their attention. How can you grab their attention? Maybe you are, if you got a good phone with a good camera, which nowadays is really, really simple. A lot of phones, have that. You can be outside. Maybe you can be in a very, like an interesting area to where as soon as people see your video autoplaying on Facebook, it grabs their attention, right? You're like, I want to check this out. It can be your environment, okay? It can be the way you start off your video. You can be like, just something goofy, right? You can start it out. How else can you grab attention? Okay, be creative with this. You don't want to come across as like a goof head or anything, depending on your style. But you want to be within your boundaries of how you want to be perceived as a brand, right? So like, for example, for me, I'll show you, some of the videos, and I'll kind of walk you through that, some of the examples. But you want to grab attention, okay, so that people can, they'll be intrigued enough to watch the video. Step number one is to get them to watch the video. Number two, okay, is you address a problem. Okay, address problem. Okay, spotlight problem, and even magnify. Okay, spotlight or magnify. If you can explain people's problem better than they can explain it themselves, they'll follow you. Okay, and then you offer irresistible solution. And it's got to be friction-free. Frictionless. Slippery slope. Easy, right? So that's the big formula. Easy, easy peasy, you guys, okay? That's the formula. So I'm going to walk you through. Grab attention, address a problem, spotlight, magnify the problem, make sure that they realize how big it is, okay, on a grander scale. Offer an irresistible solution, which will be this, okay? Here is an example. Here is an example of what I'm talking about. Let me see here. Okay. Check this out. So this is going to be one of the videos that we're releasing. I'm gonna queue it up. I'm gonna play it here for you in a minute. One of the videos that we're releasing that you will be able to, everybody, this is gonna be available to everybody. Okay, you guys will be able to download it. Okay, and you'll be able to run it on Facebook. Okay, these are about 3 to 5 minute videos or so. Okay, you'll be able to run it on Facebook on your own account as Facebook ads or sponsor, or just run it to your Facebook as well. I want you to be able to use these initially, and we have I think we have like 6 that's already done, already created for you guys. You will use these as your training wheels on a bicycle. Okay, I want you to understand the strategy behind them, and again, as you watch them, keep in mind these things and see if you can identify, okay, each one of these things right here. Okay, the big thing is you do not get attached to the outcome. You're not selling anything, so you don't have to have you don't have to have a sweaty palm, like thinking you got to try to do something. You're just there to have fun, hang out, connect, offer something that's free, so there should be no pressure. Okay, it's a very good thing for you to practice on, to create.